You should go to the Facebook ads guide here at facebook.com/business/ads-guide, and then you go to image, Facebook feed, post engagement. You find information about how you can improve the engagement of your post. Here you click, you see here Facebook ads guide, you go to about, video, image, carousel, collection. If you select image here, Facebook feed, you see the design recommendation for your image. Okay, if it is with link, or if you want to have a panorama and so on. Technical requirement, you see minimum image width, pixels 600, aspect ratio tolerance, like that. Supported objective engagement, if you want to reach brand. Okay, call to action, learn more, send message. You define here learn more, send message, shop now. So these are the call to action you see here, like this one. Okay, donate now. Okay, when you hear create mockup, so Facebook helps you to create mockups, like really an architect of your post and image and ads. Here Facebook right column. Okay, you see you have a preview of your image, Facebook instant articles. Again, you have a free, here your preview. So okay, Facebook marketplace. Okay, Facebook feed. Okay, carousel, video, and you see now recommendation about a video. You see video ratio, recommended resolution, and so on. You get all the information here, and you choose your ad placement here. Okay, supported objective, reach, brand awareness, traffic, engagement, page likes. Okay, so all these elements we already know. We want to reach, audience. You want to make your brand perceived by your customers. You want to get traffic, you want engagement, you want people to take action, you want people to like your page, or people respond to your events, and so on. The call to action, here you have suggestion about the call to action, like book now, call now, contact us, download, and so on. You see how many you have it, and you can post it just the video. Okay.